Struggling to find the perfect workout snack that helps you lose weight without using protein powder? Today, I'll share 5 simple, natural snacks that will keep you energized, help you burn fat, and support your fitness journey. Let's jump right in. First up, Greek yogurt with fresh berries. It's high in protein, low in sugar, and packed with antioxidants. The protein helps repair muscles, while the berries give you a natural energy boost, perfect for a post-workout snack. Next, apple slices with natural peanut butter. This combo is full of fiber and healthy fats. The apple keeps you full, while the peanut butter gives you long-lasting energy. A great pre-workout option. Simple but powerful, boiled eggs with crunchy veggies. Eggs are a natural protein source, and veggies add essential vitamins without extra calories. This snack helps build lean muscle while keeping you full. Fourth on the list is hummus with veggie sticks. Hummus provides healthy fats and plant-based protein, while the veggies give you crunch and fiber. It's light, satisfying, and great for weight loss. Lastly, banana with a handful of nuts. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps, and nuts give you a dose of healthy fats and protein. Perfect for a quick on-the-go snack. And there you have it, 5 easy, natural snacks that fuel your workouts and help with weight loss. No protein powder needed. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy living tips.